How to delete ElevenLabs account. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to delete ElevenLabs account. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your PC. Now at the top search box, simply type in ElevenLabs.io. Now the ElevenLabs website will open. To delete your ElevenLabs account, simply click on My Account, which is at the bottom of the screen below the notifications option. Now here simply tap on Profile, and here you will see the Delete Account option. If you want to permanently delete your account, simply tap on Delete Account. Now to confirm the deletion of your account, simply type in your email address, and after entering the email address, simply tap on Delete Account. So this is how to delete ElevenLabs account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.